Hello and welcome to Mahabal Enviro Engineers Private Limited. Today, we explore the legal framework around hazardous waste management and guide new businesses in obtaining the necessary authorization for effective and compliant waste management. The rise in industrial activities has significantly transformed daily life, increasing industrial, electronic, and chemical waste, particularly in developing nations like India. If not managed responsibly, hazardous waste presents serious risks to human health and the environment. Regulatory framework. India has implemented several regulations to manage the generation, handling, reuse, disposal, and movement of hazardous waste. The Hazardous Waste Management and Handling Rules were first introduced in 2008 and are now under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Additionally, the central and state pollution control boards play key roles in enforcing these rules, supported by incineration and recycling facilities. What is hazardous waste? Hazardous waste includes substances that are corrosive, reactive, toxic, or infectious, posing significant risks if improperly treated, stored, or disposed of. Eligibility for hazardous waste management. Businesses must ensure hazardous waste is safely collected, treated, and recycled according to the 2016 Hazardous Waste Management Rules. Key requirements include proper premises for waste storage and treatment, approved equipment for handling hazardous waste, skilled workforce trained in safe waste management. Key documents required for authorization. Essential documents include consent to establish and operate from the State Pollution Control Board, GST certificate, proof of ownership or lease of the premises, factory or trade licenses for business operations, relevant company incorporation certificates for legal recognition. Step-by-step authorization process. To obtain authorization, businesses must submit Form 1 as per the 2016 rules along with supporting documents. Application review by the State Pollution Control Board, SPCB. Site inspection conducted by authorities to assess compliance. Approval and issuance of authorization if all conditions are met. Authorities involved in the process. Key authorities in the authorization process include the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, MOEF and CC, Central and State Pollution Control Boards, CPCB and SPCB, Customs and Port Authorities for waste import-export. Validity and renewal. Authorization is valid for 5 years. Businesses must apply for renewal at least 20 days before expiry.